This project is to build 3 small shelves, knickknack shelves. First step, run down and pick up some cherry hardwood lumber. Then into the shop to rough cut the lumber. Now a couple passes through the planer. And then run one edge across the jointer. And now it's time to really get started, making something that looks like a shelf. The shelf tops now get an edge profile on the router table. I'll cut a piece of molding with an OG profile bit. The router table is used to make this cut. A pass across the table saw cuts the molding strip from the plank. The OG molding is glued to the underside of the shelf. A few clamps and a couple of 18-gauge pins fix this molding in place. One of the shelves will get a 1-inch strip of dental molding. This profile is made by cutting slots across the molding using a 1/4-inch straight bit on 1-inch spacing. The shelves are now assembled and sanded. It's time to apply a finish. I started with shellac as a sealer coat. This will darken the cherry just a little. Next, several coats of water-based polyurethane. The build is done. Now all that remains is to hang the shelves. To start, I install a mounting cleat to the wall. Next, a couple small screws secure the shelf to the cleat. And, like magic, it's done. What do you think, Whiskey Dog?